In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up the Google Ads integration in Octanist. First, go to octanist.com and log in. In the menu, go to General, then click on Manage Conversion Names. Here, add clear and concise conversion names like Converted Lead Octanist. These names must match exactly with the names you'll create in Google Ads. Matching them one-to-one is essential for the integration to work properly. If you want to send not only converted leads, but also qualified leads, meaning people who are interested in your business but haven't purchased yet, go to General. And under the General tab, enable Qualified Lead Settings. Give this a clear and descriptive name. For example, Qualified Lead Octanist. Next, go to Integrations, then to Outgoing. Choose Google Ads from the list of available integrations. Give this integration a clear name, such as your company name, Octanist, Google Ads integration. This name is only visible internally. It helps you stay organized, especially if you're setting up multiple integrations. Octanist also supports enhanced conversions for leads. To enable this, go to the Google Ads integration in Octanist. Under the Advanced section, turn on the feature. After saving, Octanist will generate a unique integration link. It will look something like this, followed by your Octanist ID and API key. Copy this link and save it somewhere secure. You won't be able to view it again later. Now let's switch to Google Ads. Open your account and go to Goals, then select Summary. Click New Conversion Action. Choose Import. Then select the last option, CRMs, files, or other data sources. Select Track Conversions from Clicks. On the next screen, choose. Skip this step and set up a data source later. Now create a new conversion action and open its settings. Give it the same name you used in Octanist. For example, Converted Lead Octanist. The name must match exactly. You can set this conversion as primary or secondary, depending on your needs. This can always be changed later. If you've enabled qualified leads in Octanist, create another conversion action. Select qualified leads and make sure the name matches exactly. Finish the setup and click Save. Now we'll configure uploads so Octanist can send conversion data into Google Ads. Go to Goals, then Uploads, and open the Schedules tab. Click to add a new schedule. Set the source type to HTTPS. In the source URL field, paste the link you got from Octanist. Set the frequency to daily and choose any day as the upload day. Pick a time that fits your reporting schedule, for example, midnight. Then save the schedule. Google Ads will now start retrieving converted leads from Octanist automatically. If you see an error, it usually just means that there aren't any converted leads available yet. Once new data is in Octanist, it should work. To enable enhanced conversions in Google Ads, go to Goals and open the settings of your conversion action. Enable enhanced conversions for leads and choose Google Tag Manager as your implementation method. You've now successfully connected Octanist to Google Ads. Your campaigns can now optimize based on actual conversions, not just leads. Got questions? Visit docs.octanist.com for more detailed support.